Today I'm doing a quick review of this mug warmer. It plugs in under my desk, and when you set your coffee on top of it, it lights up so you know that it's warming. It gets warm in about 1 minute. It gets super warm, and when you take it off, the indicator light goes off so that you know it's not heating up anymore. On the back, there is a pressure right here, like a pressure button. And so whatever you put on it needs to weigh enough to push that down. And that is what turns it on and what turns it off. But I use this almost every day and it works out really well. Always keeps my mug warm, and you can stop putting it in the microwave. When I'm not drinking, it has a secondary function of being a candle warmer. And yes, this really does work, and the scent comes off the candle without burning it, especially in a smaller space like an office. So if you're looking for a mug warmer to keep on your desk so you can stop heating up your coffee in the microwave, I highly recommend this mug warmer.